Hello students, we're going to look at now some solutions. This is the first one in a series of 8 short solution videos on the multiple choice. Now this is book 1, chapter 2 sample quiz. You should have already tried the sample quiz, okay? And we're going to go through the solutions in 8 separate little videos. So if you haven't done the quiz, stop the video, go try the quiz in D2L first. Okay, these are the solutions to each one. Alright, the first one we're asked to solve this system. Okay, now we got several choices to solve this. Okay, and I'll do it 2 ways pretty quickly. So, first way I'm going to do it is like this. Because y is already isolated, see in the second equation, y is already isolated. So I can take this and substitute in here for y. Okay, so it's called the substitution method. So I'm going to write the first equation, 2x subtract, now what is y? Take out y, you always use brackets, and put in what y equals. See that? So basically, again, what have I done? Since y is already isolated, I've taken this value here and substituted into the other equation for y. But because of that minus sign, I had to be very careful. Okay, you got to distribute that sign through. It's like having -1 in front. So it's going to be 2x subtract 3x and plus 8 equals 5. Okay, so this will give you -x when you combine these two together. Subtract 8 from both sides. 5 subtract 8. So -x equals 5 subtract 8. That should be 8. 5 subtract 8. I'm jumping ahead of myself. So -x equals -3. Now -x is the same as having -1 in front. So some people actually write it as -1. Divide each side by -1. Change the sign on both sides. Whatever you prefer. But the answer for x is +3. Now the only +3 I see up there for x is a. Okay. Now just let me show you how I do that another way. Some people prefer the multiplication addition method or elimination method, if you want to call it that. So I'm going to leave the first equation alone. The second equation I'm going to rewrite. I'm going to bring the 3x over to this side, okay? And I'll have -3x, leave the y there, equals -8. So see what I rewrote it, put them underneath each other. Now what do you notice happens here when we add immediately? When we add immediately, our y's cancel. And -2 or +2 minus 3 will give us -1x. +5 minus 8 give us -3, and we're right back to where we were on the other method we did it. So x equals +3. Now again, in order to finish it, you should substitute the 3 back into either equation. Alright, so I'm going to substitute the 3 back into y equals 3x minus 8, just to verify y should be 1. Let's see if we get 1 here. Y equals 3 times 3 minus 8. That's 9 subtract 8, which is 1. So indeed our answer is +3 for x, +1 for y. Right, there's our answer right there for answer for A. The answer to the first one is A.